Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to assemble a concrete garage. Already done the slab, as you can see. Now it's time to assemble. It comes assembled with bolts here to the sides. As you can see, our holes here and here. This one provides the panel that comes to the front, and these are the sides. So as you can see, the panels are coming together like this. You bolt them, and I put some silicone here, and I'll put some more later to make sure there's no wind blowing through the gaps. And we'll continue going all the way there to that corner and going down. As you saw, we had a small accident. Broke the bench, one slat here, and we had to put them down, and I'll try to refit them again next time when my friend is coming over. On this panel I was supposed to drill some holes here because I have them on this side and I don't have where to bolt the other panel. So I have 3 holes that I need to drill, and it's gonna take forever probably. I had this panel that had already drilled the holes to the side and was supposed to go there, but as you can see I put it here because it had some damage and I didn't put it there, so I had to choose a random panel and I need to drill some holes there. On this corner I decided to use some L brackets and put them like this. So I have 5 of them instead of drilling the holes here, because it would have taken me forever. Now might look a bit of a bodge, but that's the best I can, so won't look too bad, because here at the back, so it won't be very visible. Here I made this template, or like a jig you can call it, to ensure I have the same width everywhere, and I'll be moving it when I'm adding each panel to ensure I don't go too wide or too narrow. So this is day 1 progress. As you can see, I bolted all the panels with bolts everywhere. Only problem here, I had to use those brackets. Here on the smaller panels will be the windows. That's it for today. I'll continue tomorrow. With a bit of imagination, I managed to put the first two trusses on. So they bolt together like this. You have two holes here and you can choose which one you want. So the first one, I put it to the line here, where is the edge of the roof. On the second one, I went for two holes higher because I want to give a slope to the roof. The third one, I'll add it here. I have 3 more to put, but I need to cut them to size because they are from a double garage. Looks like the phone overheated and stopped recording. So I got the door frame in and this small panel. Now the big door. And I put the last trusses on as well. The frame for the big door, it's bolted here and there to the bottom. And here the front needs to be bolted here to the front trusses. I'll need to re-drill the holes here because they don't line up now. Here should be bolted like this, but as you can see, I don't have something to cover here, this panel. So to get rid of this big gap, I'll remove this plate and I'm gonna bolt it, this bolt straight through here. The same I'll do on the bottom. All bolted together now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here to the back, like I said, I removed the brackets. And as you can see how it's coming on the back. The window frames are bolting up here, 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 and here. I'll be adding some glass later. I managed to put the door as well. I moved the panel that was on the left side to the right side. I moved it because, as you can see, the ramp is not wide enough. The door fits on this here. And on this side as well. The spring is held on by this screw. And here should latch like this. The garage was a double garage, so I have another door. And I'll show you exactly how it bolts. This part bolts onto these bolts. And this part bolts here as well. The door has a roller here that goes onto this track. On this side there's another roller and I'll need to build another panel and I'll add this track to go on the roller. I've added the wood on top of the trusses. Unfortunately, I could not drill all of the holes here, so I had to use some straps. I know it's not the best idea for the roof, but I think it should last. The roof now is bolted. I've added the caps as well, and I put some silicone around the joints to prevent any water coming in. I've added the trim to the side of the garage, to the back as well. I left this side without the trim for now, because I need to put the windows, and the trim is gonna cover the holes here, and I won't have access to the bolts. I've added a concrete mix here on the side. I want to make sure that no water is getting in. I've done it on the outside, and I'll be doing it on the inside as well. Finally, I managed to put the door. It's not fitting too great because the floor is not leveled, but overall it's not too bad. I put the windows as well. This is how it looks on the outside. I've done the panel on the left side. I need to repaint the door, but it's pretty much done. It's been a really hot day today, but I managed to finish pretty much everything. Still have some little things to do, but I'm gonna do them off camera. As you can see, I still have to put shelves and storage and toolboxes around here. So if you want to see how it's gonna turn up with everything inside, just make sure you subscribe. And as always, see you on the next one.